Welcome back. Hey guys, I decided to do a video on descaling. I made a video on how to clean my Breville, and what I meant by that, I just meant by surface cleaning it. So we're going to do a quick descale because it's due. I'll show you everything we got. We got the little espresso tablets. You use this little dome tray and this rubber thing, and then here's the tablet that goes in there. Of course, you have to pop out the one that's in the handle. Pop that out. I had to use a butter knife to get it out. Then you put it down in there. Maybe. Looks like that. See? Okay. And leave your tray in. And then you put this up on here. Lock her in. I'm going to get you a little bit closer so you can see. Make sure I'm going to drop you down a bit. While it's doing this, I will I turned it off. I will wipe down the other parts too while it's doing the descale. So you put your two fingers here and hold, and then you turn on. It doesn't take very long at all. Having some lighting issues. Anyways, so that's pretty much it. And then I'll just, I use my homemade all-purpose cleaner. Just spray it and wipe it. Uh-oh, it's doing something else. Let's do it multiple times or something. Yep, it's cleaning it again. I think it runs it a couple times. This needs clean too. Make sure you have plenty of water in it too. Can't quite see how much is in there. It's still cleaning. And while that's doing that, I'm just cleaning the accessories. Make sure there's plenty of water. I'm going to fill the back up. I need to vacuum the top of that. still cleaning. So when it finishes, I believe it stops flashing. That's when you know it's done. And then you'll, of course, empty that out and reassemble everything. So this is all shiny. We're just waiting patiently here. Anyways, how are you guys doing today? Thank you for all my new subscribers. I love and appreciate each and every one of you. Oh, it's done. Anyways, thank you for watching. Trying to keep the videos short and sweet. It's hard to do when you can't edit. It's actually a pain in the big butt. But anyways, so I have 3 videos now after this one, so I'll be able to put some content up. Thank you everyone for watching the shorts I've put on. I appreciate that too. I think we're all done. Watch it go off again. Tick tock, tick tock, tick tock. Anyways, you guys have a great day. Do something nice for someone. Drink some water. Drink some coffee. Tell your family you love them. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.